the boys be jocking. They chase me after school because my lip gloss is popping. It's popping. It's popping. She ain't frontin'.
Sorry, the number you have. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it in limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New baby tag.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Lashaii, whatever you wanna say, and I is back with another video. Alright, so I look a little crusty because I'm gonna do like a get ready with me type of, you know, schedule. I'm gonna list the products in the description box down below so you guys can know what products I'm using, because I don't think I did it in my other get ready with me. Sorry. So I already did my eyebrows because you guys know, if you watch my other video, I'm gonna put it somewhere so you guys can watch it, my eyebrow tutorial. I can't do eyebrows like for camera for some reason. Like it was just a mess, and I was getting frustrated. I'm like, look, fuck this shit. I'm not. Nope. Basically, I wanted to make this video because well, I wouldn't realize that if I wipe my eyebrow off. Life has just been hitting me like crazy. Like shit, I didn't even ask to. Like, I really did not ask to live. Like, first of all, let me just name some struggles already that you can see on my face. My lashes, for one, are balding. I need to get them filled in. I go tomorrow. My face is breaking out right here. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can't miss it. It's right there. So yeah, where do I want to start off with my life? Because I feel like I'm not open with you guys, like when it comes to my actual personal life. I feel like, because you know, I just do videos on like tips and advice. I don't really tell you guys about like my personal life, kind of because it's not really anyone's business. But then again, it's like some things I can share with you guys. Where's my, this is the type of shit I be talking about. Like, where's my brush? I literally stress over the smallest things possible, and it's really sad. My brush is missing, guys. I found it. I found it. Here. It's more so just me being a little bit more open with my life, I guess. If I am thirsty, like, I don't want people, you know, not knowing my weaknesses, but more so just knowing what irritates me. But I make it known what irritates me, and people still do it anyway because they want to see me irritated, I guess. But I mean, hey. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Ooh, oh god. I literally hate putting on foundation because it's just, it literally goes everywhere. Oh, these bumps look like I remember I was on, oh god. It's just turning. Oh, so yeah. Look at my edges. My edges look fucked up. Everything about me right now is just fucked up, and I'm just pissed. But oh my god, my nose is itching. Oh, I was blocking my face. I'm so sorry. Alright, so back to when people talk shit on black screens or giving their feelings like it's a fucking diary. I mean, I'm not gonna even sit here and lie and say that shit's cool. It's not cool. It's actually annoying. Like, I'm scrolling through your story and I'm thinking like, who am I see this bitch out in public, you know, having fun. Like, bitch, just be sad in silence, or hit up one of your friends and vent. If you don't got no friends, I'm sorry, cause like that's me. But I mean, damn, I find somebody to talk to. You feel me? Like, Instagram don't need to see that, and people on Instagram, they want to know your weaknesses. So when they find out your weaknesses, oh bitch, you're done for. You are done for. The other day when I was going off on how niggas just be showing off too much. Like, niggas will show off every and anything just like a bitch got a new set. I needed a new fresh full set, so I'm not gonna act like I'm doing like this, because look at this shit. Like, but anyway, yeah, they just be showing off too much, and I don't like that. Like, that's not cute. Like, they act worse than females. Like, a bitch get a new bag, all right, cool, one picture. Nigga get a new Louis Vuitton belt. Oh, all his pants fitting right, all of them. In each pic, you can see that belt. You feel me? Like, yo, I literally keep forgetting what I'm talking about. That's great. But yeah, like, life. Then, like, I think it's like illegal to fake your death. I'm not sure, but I don't really want to try it to see, because if it is legal, I'm gonna be pretty, you know, irritated that I'm going to jail. Like, dang, could I not just killed myself for real then if that's the fucking case? Like, it's a legit mood. It's crazy that it's a mood. Like, right now, I actually, oh, that's dark. Oh, that's dark as shit. I gotta put that somewhere else. You know, you gotta, like, just make use of product and put it somewhere else. This. I have really bad smile lines. So I'll be trying to get that shit all, like, in there. At school, it's not for me. Like, and I just feel bad for the kids that's depressed in school, depressed and broke. That's just a horrible life to live. And that, I just can't be both. Like, I can be either or. I'll be depressed or broke. I can't be depressed and broke. That's just setting yourself up for failure. Like, and then like guarantee you're gonna get a career afterwards. I mean, I'm not trying to. What's the word? You know how motivate? What's the opposite of motivate? Discourage. Whatever word y'all be using, probably why I need to go to school because I can't think of the word, but whatever. But yeah, if you wanna go to school, bitch. You just won't catch me in. You won't catch me in here. College life wouldn't be the life I want to live. Like, then you guys eat bullshit. Like, I mean, I eat bullshit too, but it's like on my own. I will be forced to eat bullshit at school. Like I literally feel like I'm about to have a breakdown every 10 seconds of the day. Like literally every 10 seconds. Like I'll just sit there and think about it. Like yesterday, I was literally crying because I could not figure out what color I wanted to do my hair next. Like the smallest things will stress me out now. Like, and it's so funny to me because like, I don't know why. But like, yeah, the smallest things. I was literally crying yesterday because I could not figure out a hair color. Like, then today, Amazon then tried me today early in the morning. I wake up in the morning because I use cash. I don't use my card, and I forgot that I was trying to watch The Walking Dead season 8 from the beginning because I caught up too late, so I was trying to watch it, and I typed in The Walking Dead season 8, and Amazon came up. Like they had it on Amazon Video or something like that. So I signed up just to, you know how people, you sign up just to get the free trial. Then once you're done whatever you're doing, then you delete it. That was me. But yeah, so I did a little Amazon Prime thing, and I forgot that there wasn't money on my card, but I was gonna delete the account anyway. So I checked my account. It said they took out the money for the Amazon Prime. I'm like, why? Yeah, I deleted it. Then, since it wasn't money on the card, it said it was a fee for the insufficient. I said efficient. Wow, insufficient funds. They took out $38.50 for not having the money in the account. I was like, excuse me. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. I was like, yeah, I was just. My bad. Ugh. That still looks like an old lady curl, but we're gonna, there we go, fix that shit. Ooh, all the boys be jocking. They chased me after school cause my lip gloss is popping. It's popping. It's popping. She ain't frontin'. We don't put edge control on my edges no more. I don't know why. I mean, I used to put like Eco Styler gel. I don't even know what I'm doing because I don't do my edges no more. Just see if I could let them rock out. This right here, this invention was like the best invention ever. It's the brush. This end, the comb end, the swoop, But yeah, this is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my everyday look, as I always say. But if you guys want more videos like this, get ready with me and I talk chit chat with you guys, let me know and I got you.